In this video, our experts will showcase how to replace the pump element on a Graco G5 pump. To accomplish this safely and efficiently, you'll require the following: a 1 1/8 inch size wrench, 3/4 inch size wrench, 1 1/8 inch socket and socket drive, and torque wrench. To begin, follow the pressure relief procedure set out in the instruction manual before removing or replacing a pump element. Relieve pressure at the pump element using 2 wrenches working in opposite directions on the pump element until it's loose and no more lubricant or air is leaking from the fitting. Repeat for each pump. Use wrench to turn the pump element counterclockwise to loosen. Remove the pump element. Replace with new pump element. Tighten the pump element and torque to 50 inch-pounds.